Hey there, fashion lovers. If you're a frequent shopper on Shein, you know how exciting it is to track your orders and relive your hauls. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your order history on Shein. Whether you're on your phone or computer, this process is straightforward and will help you keep tabs on everything from past purchases to returns. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Shein app installed on your smartphone or head over to the Shein website on your browser. If you're using the app, open it up and log into your account using your email, phone number, or social media credentials. Don't have an account? Well, that's a quick fix, just sign up, but for now, let's assume you're all set. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. In the Shein app, tap on the person icon or My Account at the bottom of the screen. On the website, look for the user icon in the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you can see all your personal details. Now, here's the key part. Look for the Orders or Order History section. It might be under a tab labeled My Orders or something similar. Tap or click on that, and you'll be greeted with a list of your past orders. You can scroll through them, and most times, you'll see details like order dates, items purchased, tracking numbers, and delivery status. For 2025, Shein has made some updates. You might notice new filters. Use the search bar or filters to sort by date, status, or even specific items. This is super handy if you have a lot of orders and want to find something quickly. If you run into any issues, like orders not showing up, double check that you're logged into the correct account or try refreshing the page. And there you have it. You're now a pro at viewing your Shein order history. This feature is great for keeping your shopping organized and spotting any trends in your buys. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more shopping tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy shopping, everyone!